was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I listen outside her door, I hear my mama cry for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever dream. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Wish you good health po. Sana magaling na kayo ngayon. And thank you po sa pag-aalaga sa akin habang nasa Magnet ako. Kina Ma'am Rosel din po, kina Ma'am Rose, and sa lahat, sila Sir Lloyd, Dayan, si Kat, si Inaj. Yan. Ingat po kayo palagi. Thank you, thank you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi.